Okay, here we have a Wardwell B10-32 wire harness braider. This uses 32 bobbins to wind filament around a wire harness that is fed up from the bottom. You can see that nice pattern there. This green filament here, this is actually Nomex. So this machine is in excellent condition. It's very, very clean and shows very low signs of usage. Everything from the paint to wear spots like this pawl, the paint isn't even completely worn off of this here. And so we will operate it here in a second. And this mechanism here is the drive system for a capstan, which would mount on that axle there. So the machine does not have the capstan, but it has all the provisions for it. And the capstan is available directly from Wardwell. So it has a variable speed DC motor, and it varies the speed by pressing on the foot pedal. And here's the grease pump for lubricating the machine. All right, so we'll just turn it on here.